Hi, I'm the founder of Pebble. I want to show you how this complicated partnership allocation spreadsheet can be turned into a process using our tech. Here's our Pebbleflow server. I'm going to upload this spreadsheet to our Pebbleflow server in order to turn it into a process. So think about how long it would take your developers to do something like that. Months maybe? We just did it in seconds. Let's go ahead and look at what the result is. This is actually this spreadsheet, but it's a metadata view of it. It's an alternative view of the spreadsheet. We have all the versions, the previous versions of the spreadsheet. And we also have metadata that describes all the worksheets, but I want to show you that this is a dependency graph. This is a really good way for you to understand how your worksheets are connected and which worksheets depend on which worksheets. So this is super useful. But I think even more important than that is that we're actually exposing this spreadsheet as a process now. And so this URI that you're seeing here is how a developer would be able to access this spreadsheet, provide it with the appropriate input, and produce a result. And this is, again, beyond Excel. We're now running in the cloud. Let me show you what that looks like. Here's us running a Pebble. And you can see right away the analyzer tells us to run this Pebble, we need structure and income information. So let's provide it. If I take the income and I put it to the wrong tab, you can see the analyzer knows immediately that there's an error here. So let's do the right thing. Income goes to income, structure goes to structure. Let's go ahead and run that Pebble. So now it's executing it in the back end, and here's our result. And you can see allocations was produced, and it happened in 23 milliseconds. Here are all the other worksheets as well, and here are the timings for each of those worksheets. But let's go ahead and look at the allocations for now. So I'm downloading it, and as you can see, I'm opening this in LibreOffice. We're not in Excel anymore. This is just raw data. There's no formulas. Look, see? No formulas. It's just the raw data. It's what you would expect if you're running this as an enterprise process. We're not doing Excel anymore. We're executing this as a process outside of Excel. Let's have a look at how we were able to do that. The way we do it is with our PebbleStream Zen add-in. So I'm going to upload or load that add-in right now. And you can see it has the ability to validate a spreadsheet to make sure it's correct and execute it as a process as well. But in this case, we're doing it in Excel. And this is useful from a modeling perspective. The other thing that you can see here is that this pane is available to see how worksheets are dependent on each other, but it also serves as a navigation panel as well. So this is something you've always wanted in Excel, and now it's made available to you via PebbleStream. One of the other considerations is that PebbleStream actually provides a really powerful feature called directives. And so here in an Excel comment, just a plain Excel comment, I can put something called PebbleScript. In this case, what we're doing is we're joining the income worksheet with the allocation ratios worksheet. And what's nice about that is this prevents you or obviates the need for you to use VLOOKUPs or index matches to get things done. So it makes your worksheets a lot easier to understand and easier to maintain. You can see that this is just plain Excel. We're actually taking D2, the product, which is the ratio for the sharing, times the amount to get the allocation for a given partner in a partnership. Very straightforward. And the PebbleStream directives make it easy. Last thing I'll show you is this. We have the ability to run this spreadsheet as a process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another partner to partnership 9. Let's give it another amount. And since I've updated this worksheet here, I've added another row, and we know from this dependency graph there are other worksheets that depend on it. You would expect I'd have to go and make drag downs for each of those dependent worksheets. But with PebbleStream, I don't have to do that. I just click execute, and now we are now in process mode for this spreadsheet. It's executing it as if it's a process, and it's going and doing all the drag downs for you automatically. And so I would expect to see another partner. I just added partnership 16. I would expect to see allocations for partner 16 for partnership 9. And so here you can see, there they are. automatically put in for you by PebbleStream. So this is a fantastic result. Our customers really like this capability, the ability to automate Excel and run it as a process, the enhancements to modeling through PebbleScript, and then the ability to make that process available to the rest of your enterprise via a web service. But we'd love to hear from you and see what you think about this. Please reach out. You can get in touch with us at pebblestream.com. Go ahead and fill out our contact form. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd like to tell you a whole lot more. There's a lot of things that PebbleStream can do that we can't fit into 5 minutes. So thanks for watching. Bye.